Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Plus channel. It's so nice to have you here with us today. This channel helps you speak English more naturally and confidently. That is the best way to improve your English. Have you ever thought about doing a job that no one else you know has? While most people work in offices, schools, shops, or hospitals, there are many people around the world doing very unusual, even strange jobs. These jobs may sound weird, but they are real, and some of them pay quite well. In this article, we'll explore some of the most unusual jobs people actually do. Who knows, maybe you'll want to try one of them. Professional sleeper. Yes, you can really get paid to sleep. Professional sleepers work in sleep laboratories or hotels. Scientists study how people sleep, and they need volunteers to take naps or sleep overnight while wearing monitors. Some luxury hotels also hire sleepers to test their mattresses and give feedback. Sounds easy, right? But it can be uncomfortable. You might have wires on your head, cameras watching you, or need to sleep in strange positions. Still, it's a dream job for many. Water slide tester. Would you like to go to water parks and try new slides before anyone else? That's what water slide testers do. They check how fast the slide is, how much water it uses, and whether it's safe and fun. It sounds exciting, and it is. But testers also write reports and sometimes test the same slide over and over again. Still, it's a perfect job for someone who loves fun and travel. Dog food taster. This job might surprise you. Dog food companies want their products to be safe and tasty, even for humans. So they hire people to taste dog food and give feedback on texture, smell, and taste. Annoyed. Of course, the food is made from ingredients that are safe for people, but it's not exactly delicious. However, this strange job is very important for pet lovers and helps make better products for animals. Professional cuddler. In some countries, you can hire a professional cuddler. This person offers emotional support and comfort through non-romantic physical touch, like hugging or sitting close. It's especially helpful for people who feel lonely, sad, or stressed. This job requires a lot of patience, kindness, and strong boundaries. It may sound strange, but many people find peace and connection from this simple human contact. Line stander. Imagine getting paid to wait in line. In big cities, people are very busy, so they pay someone else, a line stander, to wait for things like new phone releases, event tickets, or popular restaurants. Sometimes line standers wait for hours, even overnight. During holidays or special events, they can earn a lot of money. It's a great job for someone who has time and doesn't mind standing. Golf ball diver. Golfers often hit balls into lakes or ponds. Someone has to collect them. That's where golf ball divers come in. Wearing diving gear, they swim in the water to find and collect lost golf balls. It can be dirty and dangerous work. Water might be deep, cold, or filled with mud. But divers collect thousands of balls and sell them to golf stores or clubs. It's hard work, but it pays well. Snake milker. This job is not for the faint of heart. A snake milker extracts venom from dangerous snakes. This venom is used to make medicine, especially antivenom for snake bites. The job is very risky and you must be trained and careful, but it's also a very important job that saves lives. If you love science, animals, and excitement, this job might be for you. Iceberg mover. After the Titanic disaster, people began to track and move icebergs that could be dangerous for ships. Iceberg movers use boats or water sprays to push icebergs away from shipping routes. This job is rare, but very important for sea safety. It requires knowledge of ocean currents, strong equipment, and sometimes even helicopters. Face feeler. Beauty companies want to know how well their products work. That's where face feelers come in. These experts touch people's skin before and after using creams to test softness and smoothness. It may sound funny, but it's a real job. Face feelers are trained to feel even small changes in the skin. Their feedback helps make better cosmetics. Professional mourner. In some cultures, crying at funerals is a sign of deep respect. Families sometimes hire professional mourners to attend funerals and cry loudly. This helps show how important and loved the person was. This job requires strong acting skills and emotional control. It might feel strange, but in some traditions, it's completely normal. Why do these jobs exist? You might wonder, why do people do such unusual jobs? The answer is simple. Every society has needs. Some jobs are created to solve problems, support emotional health, or even entertain. And in a world full of creativity and technology, new jobs appear all the time. Also, not everyone wants a normal 9-to-5 job. Some people enjoy doing something different or exciting. These unusual jobs allow people to use unique skills, travel, or even help others in special ways. Would you try one of these jobs? After reading about these strange but real jobs, you might be curious. Would you like to try sleeping for money? Or maybe help save lives by milking snakes? Everyone has different interests and talents, and there's a job for everyone. The next time someone asks, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" maybe your answer will surprise them.